On today's body cam, we're checking out she fought Chipotle employee and instantly regretted it.
Bravo 37.
561, not Jade. Can you please get your phone and call my auntie? They just want to take me to fucking jail.
On November 10th, 2025, police responded to a report of a fight at a Chipotle.
So we can stop that right here, right now.
Yeah.
Who's inside?
The other female.
Okay.
And then
What happened?
I was in the store. They came in arguing. I thought they were going to go their separate directions. They did not. They kept continuing fighting, so I got involved. And I was like, girl, it's not...
Who was the primary aggressor, do you think? Like, who was really...
They were both going at it.
Okay.
They were both aggressing each other.
All right.
And then a physical fight started.
She just left from the back. She opened our back door and then so you probably both...
Because the car went over there by her.
Okay. 12:36. The first subject is going to be by the stop sign in front of Chipotle. Apparently, the other subject went out the back door of the area, so I'm going to go and try and locate her.
So that's pretty interesting. We have her coworker saying that she was aggressive as well. So she's saying that it was mutual. Pretty interesting.
Apparently it was a white female, unknown color clothing.
Yeah, the other party played as a white female.
Were you involved in a fight?
No, I wasn't involved. I just rolled up
Okay.
to go to the dollar store and I saw the fight in the window.
Okay.
There.
What did you see exactly, if you don't mind me asking?
I saw a cluster of 3 or 4 girls all had each other by the hair, beating the shit out of each other.
Okay.
And first I saw a guy who was like backing up like this in the corner, like he didn't want nothing to do with it. And then I panned over, see the group of girls, at least 1 or 2 of them worked there.
Okay.
And the guy eventually went over and pulled one of the chicks off, and then everything from there was kind of like below the sight line of the tables, and I couldn't see.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Here, so.
Do you happen to know where they might have parked that?
Not a clue.
No. All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
It's a good Samaritan right there.
Okay. Thank you.
So you talk to people in the store next door?
I talked to her.
Yeah.
As I was talking to her on the side, the owner's like, "Hey, she just ran out the back.
Right.
If you want to go back there," and I was like, "Oh shit!" So I went back there, and there was no one back there.
I guess she has a friend who wasn't involved, but she's hyperventilating in the bathroom or somewhere else.
Oh, wonderful. Is someone in there?
No.
Oh, it's.
No, you're not. You need to chill. No, you need to chill and relax.
No. You gone?
I cannot find her. Where did you park at?
That's the car there, the green Ford.
That's whose car? Your.
Casey's car.
Who's Casey?
Oh, she's right there. I
heard she's in the bathroom. Yeah. So.
She's the girl who they got in the fight?
No.
That's
Her
our
friend.
friend.
Her friend.
Okay. Hey, what's your name?
Apparently they parked next to each other. Did you see a fight?
I didn't see the fight, but I saw what happened originally.
Okay, what happened originally?
Sorry for my descriptive terms.
You're fine.
The white girl comes walking up. I was already just sitting here eating. The white girl comes walking up in the back of the parking lot, and the other girl that's yelling at front. She's already walking in, and the white girl's going.
What did the do you know what the white girl was wearing?
Black hoodie and baggy sweatpants, and there was a red
Black hoodie, baggy sweatpants.
like a red accent on her.
Hey, we're gonna go check Lake Wyman.
And I think she's still in the Chipotle. I haven't seen her walk out.
Okay.
Maybe she's in the bathroom or something. I don't know.
Okay.
But she was the one that walked up first yelling, "Girl, what the fuck's wrong with you? Bitch, what the fuck's wrong with you?" And she kind of, from what I could tell through the window, verbally started it. I don't.
Okay.
Physically, I saw her do nothing.
Did you see where she walked up from? You just saw her come?
Right back this way, like right behind the car.
No, this isn't it.
And then I saw the girl with, I don't know where the white girl's car is, but I think the girl with the dreads car is that gray one.
Yeah.
It would be right from over this way.
Okay.
It came from that house.
Okay. I appreciate it.
I hope everything works out.
Thank you.
Sorry.
You're good.
Come on, man. We already damn halfway through the video. More than halfway through the video. We only got 3 minutes left. Is there gonna be some action or what, man? Or is this just gonna be one of them calm reactions, just some smooth stuff? Where's the action at, man? Big brawl like this and there's no action?
Police
It's
instructed
impossible.
the woman to leave the area, but she refused.
You.
Who?
I don't care. Start walking.
Okay. Just get out of here.
I'm not kidding. I'm about to put you in handcuffs. Start walking.
Where?
Anywhere but here. Go to the sidewalk.
I'm waiting on my friend.
Cool, you can wait. You can wait on the sidewalk.
Fuck. Fucking talking to me, bro. Damn. Leave me the fuck alone. I'm not doing shit. I'm standing here.
Go on the sidewalk. You are trespassed.
Fuck.
Okay. No problem. Simple trespass. No problem. Just, you good. We not locking you up. Just go on the sidewalk. Just go walk across the street. Walk down the block or something. You know what I mean? Everybody got phones. So if you get, you gotta reach out to them. Hey, pick me up down the block. I had to get up out of there, man. I'm trespassed. No problem. Smooth.
That's why we should have done the entire plaza.
Uh-oh.
Relax. You're done.
Oh, see, she ain't go to the parking lot. What's this?
Relax. You're done.
She ain't go to the sidewalk, man.
Bro. Okay. Y'all don't gotta manhandle me.
Then relax.
I'm fucking relaxing.
Okay.
I got you. Call my auntie.
Bravo 37.
561. Not Jade. Can you please get your phone and call my auntie? Pussy ass fucking. They just want to take me to fucking jail.
This was your own reason.
Bro, I was gonna walk to school. What the are you talking about?
Too late.
0134.
Unbelievable.
Give me, I'm 125 fucking pounds.
Should have listened. Can't listen. Can't follow the simple directions. Go on the sidewalk. Go down the block.
Alright. Release this.
Unbelievable.
This is not what we wanted to do tonight.
Clearly it is, because we doing it.
I beg you to leave.
Bro, I was gonna walk to school.
Sorry.
You're okay.
What are you talking about? I don't want to be in a car right now. I want to be by myself and cool the fuck off.
If you want resisting, whichever one we want to use.
But she was the one.
Yes.
From the plaza.
Yep.
Yes. Not from the plaza, from the Chipotle. I never trespassed her from the plaza. Here's some AirPods.
Okay. You have a bag.
I do. I have all of it.
All you had to do was just leave, man. Just leave. Simple.
All that up.
Simple shit. Unbelievable. Can't control your emotions. Can't control your emotions.
ShyGotEm reaction. You know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
ShyGotEm.
We out.